Good evening. As I sat inside the National Stadium last Saturday evening watching Usain Bolt run his final competitive race in Jamaica, I must confess I got emotional. It was inside the same National Stadium that Bolt competed with his peers at Champs and then introduced himself to the world when he became World Junior Champion in 2002. Watching him salute the crowd then, I of course had no clue that this prodigy would later become the double sprint world record holder, 11-time world champion and 8-time Olympic champion. Bolt will run his final competitive race in London over 100 meters and then move his life into another phase. Obviously, he will be missed because Bolt not only brought glory to Jamaica on the track but off the track as well. His engaging personality as he interacted with fellow athletes, the crowds and the track volunteers added tremendous atmosphere to the meets he competed in. Brand Jamaica will never be able to repay Bolt for the debt of gratitude we owe him. From presidents to movie stars to star footballers and the basketballers to a tiny tot still in diapers, the name Usain Bolt from Trelawney, Jamaica reverberated across the world. Plans are being made on how we should honor this man who grew up before our very eyes. He basked in the praise but still kept the humble country boy touch. He parties hard, but works even harder to maintain his dominance in world track and field. When he crosses the line in London, we hope it will be another gold medal to add to his superlative collection. Track and field will be the poorer when he leaves the stage, but we look forward with great anticipation for the new stars who are even now being born. Big up yourself, Hugo. A proud nation is grateful. I'm Karen Madden. Good evening.